Hamster Combat Airdrop will be launched in a few days. So if you have been farming the Hamster Airdrop and you wish to know how many hamster that you will get, watch this video from the beginning to end and I will explain the simple steps you can use to calculate the Hamster Airdrop. Now, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. So now, log into your Hamster Combat via Telegram and now I'm in my account already. Now, click on this Airdrop tab. Here you will see withdrawal method. Here is about how to link your wallet, that you can use for withdrawal. But while here is points. So this points tab contains how to calculate the Hamster Combat Airdrop. So now here you can see airdrop allocation points, which has a TBA under it. So this is to be announced. This TBA means to be announced. So here let's go through all this, what they are going to use to calculate the airdrop. So now they said passive income here, which is profit per hour. So when you click on this information now, you will see it says the golden rule of a successful business is that it should work for you. Passive income is an important concept of the game. Invest your in-game currency and make sure your exchange mines more assets for you. That is, if you increase your profit per hour to use to calculate the number of hamster that you will get. So number 2 is earn tasks. Earn tax. So you need to earn some tax. Okay, we are grateful for boosting our community and we hope that you like our educational content. Earn tasks help us grow and are of course rewarded. That is, if you watch their video and daily reward, that's those videos that you will see from their daily reward. If you watch those videos, they will reward you too for watching their content, their educational content. So that's for the earn task. Then another point that they are going to use is friends. Okay, let me click on the information now. Hamster Combat are the new ways. Hamster Combat has become the largest crypto community ever, and we are very grateful to you for that. If you bring in friends who are active players, you should be rewarded for that. That is, if you invite some friends or if you invite a large number of people, you will also be rewarded for that. So in case you don't have invites, kindly look for one. So as you can see here, this will be used, and this will be about yet to be announced. Then here is saying achievements. So which is to be announced. Let's look at the information here. So it says some achievements are common, some are unique, but every single one matters and has its own purpose. So achievements will also be used to reward, to also be used to calculate the Hamster Combat Airdrop. So now it says Telegram subscription. Let's look at the information. It says don't miss anything about Hamster Combat. Stay tuned with our Telegram channel to mine more airdrop points. Okay, close. So you have to follow their Telegram channel. So that is another point that I'm going to use to calculate the hamster that you'll get. Now, keys. Talking about keys. So keys are valuable asset to build sustainable platform. We need to open a great amount of locks on proper doors. Third-party games integration test. Third-party integration test is the key to a big publishing platform that will ensure long-term token utility. So keys are also an important point that we use to calculate the hamster airdrop. So that's all. Just make sure you have any of these. You need to have key, increase your passive income, and follow this. And very soon, all these TBA will change to points. Then the total point will now be calculated and summed up, which will be added up here. So let's see the information here. So it says all the activities that users do playing Hamster Combat convert into airdrop points. Every single thing is important. The way you play, your social activity, earning keys, all your points will be taken into account and airdrop will be distributed according to each player. So that is how it will be calculated. So it will not be calculated based on the balance you have here or any other thing or daily combo or so on. That's how the point will be calculated. Now that you have seen how to calculate the Hamster Combat airdrop, now let's wait until the airdrop is launched and we all are going to receive the number of allocated airdrops according to how we performed. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.